Welcome back to Tech with Adalamsi, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be continuing the modifications and upgrades to my 2014 Honda CR-V EX. Specifically, I will be upgrading the 4 speakers in my car with better two-way speakers, and the size of both are 6 3/4 inches. I'll put the links in the description for this. Let's get started with the front door disassembly. First, let's remove the plastic corner cover. Not sure what this is actually called. Then remove the plastic trim behind the door handle and remove the 2 Phillips screws. Remove the plastic cover over the cargo space on the armrest and remove the Phillips screw. Then pull the door panel from the speaker side and pull hard until the tabs release. Then remove the electrical buttons, trim, and disconnect the wire harnesses. Now remove the door panel by prying it off and sliding it up and out of the way. Remove the screw holding the stock speaker and pry the stock speaker off. The new speaker bracket goes in exactly the same way as the stock speaker brackets. Bracket in the bottom and screw on the top. It's the same for front and rear. Connect the adapter wire harness and plug and play everything back in reverse. For the rear speakers, let's remove the door panel. Remove the corner plastic. Then remove the plastic trim behind the door panel and remove the 2 Phillips screws. Then remove the plastic cover over the cargo space on the armrest and remove the Phillips screw. Then remove the electrical buttons, trim, and disconnect the wire harnesses. Now let's remove the stock speaker by removing the screw and prying it off. Install the new speaker the same way and don't forget to connect the adapter wire harness. Plug and play everything back in reverse. Okay, depending on which speakers you chose, there is a chance that the speakers will hit the plastic surround on the door panel for the stock speakers. In my case, they were hitting, so I cut them off. A Dremel tool will probably be easier, but you can use whatever you can think of. I used metal cutters to make incisions, then used a plier to pull it off. Took a few minutes, but for me it was accurate. Finally, for installation, the new bracket has a tab at the bottom that clips in and a screw for the top. It's the same as the stock speaker setup for the front and the rear. Here's what it looks like all put together. I drilled in 4 screws to the speaker bracket. That's the end of the video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for this CR-V, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.